Welcome to Beautyistic, where we bring you honest reviews and expert insights into the latest beauty products. Today, let's talk about something that promises to transform damaged hair: the Dove Hair Intensive Repair 10-in-1 Serum Mask. This 9.2 phthalates treatment is designed to rejuvenate your hair with every use, addressing 10 signs of damage in just 1 minute. So how does it stack up? Let's dive into the details. The Dove Hair Intensive Repair Mask is formulated to combat hair damage and bring back strength with the help of bioprotein care technology. With the inclusion of Glutamic Amino serum, the mask promises to stop 98% of visible damage caused by breakage in just 60 seconds. It's a deep conditioning treatment that works by replenishing your hair with protein strength builders. And according to Dove, it's backed by a decade of research. As I tested this product, I found it to be surprisingly easy to incorporate into my hair care routine. After washing my hair with the Dove shampoo and conditioner, I applied the mask to damp hair and let it sit for a minute. The texture of the mask is thick and creamy, offering a rich, indulgent experience that coated my hair evenly without feeling too heavy. Upon rinsing, my hair felt instantly softer and looked visibly shinier, as though the strands were being nourished from within. In terms of performance, I've noticed improvements in my hair's overall texture. The product definitely works to reduce the appearance of damage and restore some of my hair's natural smoothness. However, I did find that while the mask worked wonders on the ends, it didn't completely eliminate some of the frizz I tend to experience on humid days. Still, it was effective at delivering shine and softness, and over time, the results continue to improve with consistent use. Now, let's look at the pros and cons. On the plus side, the mask is easy to use, and the fact that it works in just 1 minute makes it ideal for a quick hair care boost. The bioprotein care technology seems to be doing its job, leaving my hair feeling stronger and softer after each use. Additionally, the scent is pleasant and not overpowering, making it a nice, relaxing experience in the shower. On the downside, while it's great for reducing visible damage and improving texture, it didn't completely smooth out every single strand, particularly on days when my hair was more unruly. If you're looking for a treatment that offers ultra-sleek, frizz-free results, this might not be enough on its own, especially if you have very coarse or extremely damaged hair. As for value, this mask is priced fairly for its size, and considering its performance and the high-quality ingredients, I'd say it provides good value. It isn't a cheap product, but the results justify the cost, especially when you compare it to salon treatments. Given the fact that it works in 1 minute, it's a pretty solid option for those who want a quick and effective hair repair solution without breaking the bank. When it comes to comparisons, there are a few other hair masks on the market that offer similar benefits, but none quite match the 1-minute efficiency of Dove's offering. Some masks might have higher concentrations of oils or repair agents, but they usually require longer processing times. If you're tight on time, this product could be a real game changer. The build quality of the packaging is standard for Dove. The container is sturdy and practical, and the mask itself is easy to apply and rinse out without making a mess. There's no waste, and the formula doesn't feel too thick to clog the container. As for longevity, you're likely to see immediate results. But like most hair care products, consistency is key. I've been using this mask once a week for a couple of months, and my hair still feels healthier than it did before. If you've had any experience with Dove's customer service, you'd know that they have a solid reputation for being responsive and helpful. While I haven't personally had to reach out, Dove's commitment to consumer satisfaction is well known across their product line. Regarding product alternatives, if you feel that the Dove mask is a little too expensive, or if it doesn't quite meet your needs, you might consider checking out more budget-friendly options like Garnier's Whole Blends Repairing Mask. It offers some similar ingredients and benefits at a lower price point, though it may require more time for similar results. In summary, the Dove Hair Intensive Repair 10-in-1 Serum Mask is a solid option for anyone looking to tackle hair damage in a fast, easy way. It works well for improving texture, adding softness, and reducing visible damage, although it might not fully control frizz on more challenging hair days. If you're after a quick fix for hair in need of repair, this product certainly lives up to its promises. But if your hair needs more intensive care, you might need to pair this mask with other treatments for the best results. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thank you for watching. If you've used this product, drop a comment below. Let us know your thoughts, and if there's another product you'd like us to review, we're always open to suggestions. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.